Alteryx provides a platform for a line of business analyst that allows them to ingest any kind of data, big data, little data, structured, unstructured, data that's in the cloud or on the ground. It then allows them to standardize, normalize, create the perfect analytic data set, and then to prosecute analytics across a wide array of analytic capabilities, from arithmetic to algorithmic to predictive to spatial. And then the ability in the single platform, an end-to-end platform, the ability to share the output in metaphors that people can understand. Maybe it's to a Tableau dashboard as part of the Udacity Nano degree, to Power BI or to Qlik or back to spreadsheets or back to an enterprise data warehouse. But it is a single platform that gets analysts their life back, makes them want to enjoy their job again. So one of the challenges we see in business today is that we're living in this data-hungry world where people are asking more questions of more content. We did a study last year and we asked the question, how many data sets does an analyst typically need access to get to any analytic outcome, irrespective of use case or vertical industry? And what we found was pretty astonishing. 62% of all analysts needed no less than 5 different data sets, and as many as 15 or more data sets to get to any analytic outcome. And so Alteryx allows the ingestion of this disparate data to be done in a very easy to use platform without writing a stitch of code, without writing a single SQL statement, and without having to live in Excel hell writing complex VLOOKUPs. We also uncovered some interesting statistics in just the last few weeks. We did a study to determine the size of the problem around line of business analysts living in Excel hell. We determined that there's 21 million disenfranchised data analysts who do the thankless task of data munging each and every day. In fact, the problem is an enormous one. It's a $60 billion problem where the average analyst spends 26 hours out of their 40-hour work week doing the thankless task of prepping data and blending data inside of Excel, a tool that was never intended to do these kinds of things based on the scale of data today. So Alteryx is that perfect process to take the analyst out of that complex data munging world. And as a result, they get all of their time back. And when they go through a class like Predictive Analytics for Business through Udacity, we can amplify human intelligence so that this 26 hours can now be used to ask more important questions, more relevant questions to drive the business forward.